Hey, STCRC has given me a $50 gift certificate for participating in this event. So it's $50, but you'd have to spend $75 and over at the store to use that $50 certificate. So what we're gonna, set of tires, you're done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the cars all the way around the sign. And then I'm gonna tell you to turn back to your car so you can't watch your car. And I'm going to do a countdown to 5. I'm going to start 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but slowly. Whoever is the closest to the center of the sign with their truck is the winner of that gift certificate. But you cannot look at your truck. Okay, everybody turn your back to your car. Okay, we go when I say 5. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. So look who won. Her first time at a crawling event, and she wins.
It's always a draw for everyone.
It's always like the beginner's luck.
Technically, it's our first time for real.